Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Shashi Kumar Singh. In this video, I am going to tell you why a person should become an assistant supervisor in Forever Living Products Company. Becoming an assistant supervisor is very important because at this level, the whole business starts, and most importantly, you start getting all the benefits mm, from this level. So, when you join Forever Living Products Company, the upline or the team members may request you or suggest you that as soon as possible you become assistant supervisor so that you start getting the benefits, and also the company starts recognizing you and you become eligible to get most of the benefits that you will not get as a preferred customer. So, before I start, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and remain with me in this video for a couple of minutes. So, friends, becoming a assistant supervisor in the Forever Living Products Company means you have started. You want to start your business seriously, and the company thinks that is now here is a person who has acquired knowledge about the company, who has gone through the website of the company and read about the products of the company, got some knowledge, and now he has decided to go ahead with the business. So you find a recognition in the Forever Living company as an assistant supervisor. Becoming an assistant supervisor provides you a lot of opportunities to grow your business. You start getting 30% discounts, and apart from that, your 5% personal uh, bonus, as well as preferred customer bonus, and 25% preferred customer profit. So there are many benefits that start from the assistant supervisor level. So that is the reason why people, those who are already there doing this business, who sponsored you, he or she would like to tell you that try to become assistant supervisor as soon as possible, because if you have to start business, you have to remain in this business, then there is no point of delaying this decision, because you wanted to take some time to think and decide yourself whether the company is good or not, whether products are good or not, the policy is good or not. And now enough time has been spent, and now this is the time to take decisions. So if you don't take decisions quickly and start lurking in the and killing your time, then you are not going to achieve anything out of that, because all policies and plans, marketing plans, and everything, whatever you want to search or know about this business, it is already available online through the website of the company, as well as the people around here who are going to tell you about this. So taking a decision to become as assistant supervisor in the Forever Living Products Company is a bold decision, and it should be decided as soon as possible if you are going to start the business seriously, and if you are going to stay in this business for a long time. Otherwise, if you are not interested and you think that you are not able to do better in this business, uh, so there is no point in being there as a preferred customer and just buying the products and Now, of course, nowadays there is a scheme which provides you to join as a preferred customer just with the 5,000 rupees, and you get the benefit of recruiting people under you. But even um, doing like that, you can stay there for some time. But being an assistant supervisor is a must to get recognized by the company, and you get recognition globally. Your ID is circulated all around the world wherever the company exists. So these are the steps, these are the profits, these are the uh, opportunity that we will not get as a preferred customer. So I think it is good to join straight away uh, to this assistant supervisor level. There are schemes for that, and that will help you to start the business as soon as possible, and it will not waste your time. So there is a combo plan, there is a direct 2cc plan for by spending around 27,000 rupees or so. So these are the ways you can straight away become an assistant supervisor level. So it is, the decision is yours, the choice is yours. But in my thinking, I would like to advise the people who are serious about this business. You must start doing business and start the from the assistant supervisor level. So that's what I wanted to say in this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, go to description box of the video and know about some links which will help you to find a webinar which is very beneficial for you, that will tell you how you earn income from different resources. If you want to contact with me and interested to know about this business, you can directly call me on my WhatsApp number. You can chat with me, or you can also contact me through other links which are available in the description box. So thank you so much spending your time with me for this few minutes, and I hope we shall meet again in the another video. Till then, goodbye.